are they. Okay. Amen. About my braid pattern. Duh, why didn't I think of that? This method works better when the hair match. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. What's up, beautiful people? It's your girl Mary Kay, coming to you with another slay. I've been wanting to do it for a while. I just had to find the right time to do it with my schedule. Now is the time, and this show enough is the place. And I'm gonna tell y'all all the details. I'm gonna put them right in your face. But first, you know I gotta show love to my subscriber of the Jizzy. Bam. Oh girl, you the bomb. You know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. If you feeling my content, join the family, join the fun. Okay. In my hair, these are butterfly locks, distressed butterfly locks. You know, there's a million names for one thing. So whatever you want to call it, these are they. Now, I've done these before. However, at that time, I did a full head of individuals. Now, they were very chunky, just like they are now. Y'all know I'm not finna spend all that time in my head, so I'm gonna make them chunky and I'm gonna make them short. I did that last time as well, but I did all individuals. I had about 25 individual plaits in my head, and then I created the butterfly locks. If you don't know what I'm talking about, make sure you check that video out. Y'all showed a lot of love to that video, so that's why I wanted to jump on it again and give you a different flavor. This hair that I use to create these locks is from Toyotress. They have like water wave hair for passion twist and Bohemian hair for passion twist. The Tiana passion twist that you guys love so much is made from this Bohemian hair. So yes, the hair comes in a pack of 7 bundles, I believe. 6 or 7, I think it's 7. So it'll come in a bag like this, and there'll be 7 bundles of this hair in this bag. So it's not the pre-twisted passion twist hair. It's the loose hair to create passion twist. This is the color T118. This is one of my favorite colors from the Toyotress line. What I love about this hair, y'all, it's so easy to fluff. Like, you literally can do this and fluff it out. Or you could take a wide tooth comb, put all the pieces together and just comb it. You literally can fluff it that easily. And that takes so much time away from your install, honey, so you can get to doing what you was planning on doing that day in the first place. You know, because you're not spending all day trying to get through tangles and stuff like that because the hair don't separate well. You know what I'm saying? So you just get your 3 pieces, you put them together, grab it towards one of the ends, grab it there. That way when you pull it through, this end is gonna be through so fast, and then all you have to do is even it out like that. I hope you know what I'm saying. That makes it a lot easier, it makes your install a lot quicker, and y'all know that's what we about around my neck of the woods. Amen? Amen. About my braid pattern. This is something else that is different than the last time. This time I did 6, I think. Yes, 6 large size individual boxes around my perimeter. Everything else is cornrows, straight back cornrows. And that's just if you don't want to do the individuals the whole time. You can do this as a straight crochet. Now, y'all, this is very important. If you are going to use a color that is not your natural color, I would suggest using the method that I did the first time. This is not my natural hair color, but I didn't have 1B hair. I was like, I'm finna do it. I wanted to do it in a different way than last time. If you're going to use this method, I would use your natural hair color. When it comes to the placement of each piece that you crochet into your cornrow, you almost have to imagine that you have individuals. The individual locks are not going to be back to back to back to back. So there's spacing when it comes to styles like this, especially jumbo styles. You have to consider your spacing because you want to make it realistic. I use 2 fingers in between each of my pieces because naturally that's what the spacing would be. Because of that, this method works better when the hair match. This method works better when the hair that you're installing matches your natural hair color. You have to space it accordingly. Trust me, use your natural hair color. If you don't want to use your natural hair color, hit those chunky individuals. It's not as long as you think. If you're doing longer, smaller butterfly locks, then yeah, it's gonna take you a minute, sis. It's gonna take you a minute, sis. But I didn't recommend that. So if it take you a minute, you can't get mad at me. Cause see, I had said do them chunky and short, but you had wanted to do them long and not chunky. So that's why it took you 72 hours and 5 minutes to do yours. It ain't take me that long. If you like quick styles like me, chunky and short is where you need to be. So this is an illusion individual braid pattern, but a very easy one. One of my favorites because it's so daggone easy. Also, when you are finished with your install, you know, there are levels to the amount of distress that you put on your lock. You don't have to put any distress on it if you don't want to, and it's gonna turn out gorgeous. Or if you do them and you like the fact that they're distressed and you say, ooh, I wanna distress them some more, come on now. There are ways that you can distress them more. You can take your fingers, take your lock. Let's see, this one right here is kind of sleek at the bottom. So you can take your fingers and just wiggle little pieces out of the lock. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. 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 Hey, wiggle, 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 wiggle. Hey, y'all just pray for me, honey. We have distressed this bad boy out. It's stressed and under duress, but it's gonna be okay, cause all day it's gonna slay. Now, somebody asked me one time in my comments, do you just like walk around and rhyme? You just rhyme? Yes, I rhyme all the time. What? Y'all, that was so a coincidence. Dang, that was good. That was good. Come on, Mary. I got my mirror right here. Come on, Mary. Come on, Mary. But I do. I study dictionaries, thesauruses. I've done this all my life from a child. If you guys are following me on Instagram, if you are in tune with my stories, you know I often put up a word of the day. I just love words. I'm a poet, I'm a writer. You know, sometimes in my mind I think I'm a rapper. You know what I'm saying? And I test my freestyling skill. Cause I figure like this, if I know all these words, right? And they flow off the dome, like none of this is scripted, kid, then I should be able to rhyme, right? It should just naturally be a gift that I have. Yeah, I think that's where the lines stop with that. I ain't no MC Light. Yeah, I'm more like MC I. But you know, I've been practicing. So now you have two quick methods, whether you want individuals or whether you want to do an individual illusion. Both styles are crochet styles. Both are protective styles. I do have a video where I'm showing you how to remove the individuals if you decide to do it that way. Please watch this video before you attempt to take out your butterfly locks. There's a very easy way to take them out, okay? When you see it, you're gonna be like, duh, why didn't I think of that? Some of the pieces will like curl up. You can stretch them out if you want to, but I like the look when they curl up, so I leave them alone. I let them do their thing. We in morning worship over here. These ones still in Sunday school. Cause see, they came in late, so they trying to get all of the Sunday school lesson. And when they ready to drop, they gonna drop. These ones is not, they over here shouting already. So y'all all the bar. Y'all so dope. To the demo.
Time believing that I'm flying like a cannonball. Yeah. What if I'm just concealing that I'm waiting for a star to fall? Won't you do me a favor? Won't you hit me up, baby? All this time I'm looking at my telephone, cause I'm thinking of your hands and the way you made them dance on me, on me. Make a wish, take your pick, let me out before I slip. Take your pick, hit. Dynamite, you just blew my mind right now, right now. One more night, baby, come and show me how, show me how. Yeah, you just blew my mind right now. nervous, like in a plane before a city.